and we see a humongous bait ball. You can see it right there. Right under our boat. Almost right under our boat, but yeah. So we're gonna start casting at it. You can see the nervous water, yeah.
Got him.
My dad hooked him.
Got a lot.
Oh!
Oh, those are good ones.
Oh. Hey. At least he caught him. Hate it when the one just falls off, you know? Look how much bait we caught before. Finish here.
All right, Dean's on.
Like
Dean's on the Johnny jigs. Oh, he's off, dude.
Yeah, he's off.
Ah.
Wait, no, he's still on.
He's still on?
Still on.
All right, good.
Still on.
On the Johnny jigs, Valiant and Pro Jigger and the Torpedo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're marking pretty good right now, buddy.
School on it.
You're doing good, man.
I think it's a mahi.
No, I think it's a tuna, buddy.
Tuna. No, tuna would be like flipping around.
Okay.
You see any color?
No, you got a ways to go, buddy.
Okay.
Okay,
Still a tuna.
I think it's a bonito, but let's see. Good job, Dean.
Nice. So I caught a big mahi.
Big mahi. Okay, Dean, I want this hand up there. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. We caught another mahi before, but the bait fell off.
Yeah. Whoa, he's jumping. He's a jumper.
It might be something else, actually.
No, that's a mahi. I saw it, dude.
I like to jump, but
Just keep it tight, buddy. Keep it tight.
I don't think he likes to run.
Just when he wants to run, you let him run.
Oh, I see him. He's tired.
Oh, I see him, buddy.
That's a mahi, all right.
All right, I gotta do a little maneuvering, guys.
Okay.
Okay, Dean, come on. Here, give me the rod. Okay, come and fight it on this side. It's a nice one, bro. This is a nice fish. Totally nice fish.
Okay, here it is. I see it. He's on the surface. He likes to jump. He's used to flying fish.
I see him.
I guess he's just used to flying fish.
Okay, buddy. He's a nice one, bro. That is a very nice one. All right, I gotta put us a little bit in gear.
Oh, he's tired.
Okay, he's gonna make a mess when we get him in the boat, buddy. Okay, I gotta gaff him. Hold on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, he's a big one. Dean?
Yeah?
Just here, hold the camera. Don't drop it in the water. Give me this. That's a really nice mahi, bro.
Look at it, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna gaff him. He's gonna go psycho. All right, you ready?
Oh.
Yeah, baby! Dean, the mean green Team to Sheen, buddy.
Look at that.
All right. Okay, Dean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, what a fish.